Hey folks, Bill here from Survival Lore. Thank you for joining me again today. Have another video for you all. Today we're going to go over something I put together. I wanted to make the most compact 5 necessities for survival that I could. I wanted it to be in a small pouch, something that you could carry on your belt. This isn't a comprehensive kit. This is going to cover your 5 most important necessities. Cover, cordage, fire, water, and a cutting tool. Everything in those 5 things are all contained in this. This is a USGI Compass Pouch. I think they're also used as first aid kit pouches. Has the Alice clip on the back so you can run it on your belt. Doesn't weigh very much at all. I think it's like 13, 14 ounces. The items in there are kind of heavy, but they are compact enough and small enough that they work together. So there's a couple more things in here than the five essentials, excuse me. But I wanted to make sure those 5 essentials were covered in something you could just throw on your belt, head into the woods and go, whether it's hunting, hiking, whatever it may be. So, and I tried to keep it as relatively inexpensive as possible. So keep that in mind as we go through this. We'll pop open the case. You can see first thing we have in there is an Altoids case. You can see there's a few things in the back. We'll pull everything out first. This is a tight fit, so keep that in mind. We'll go through the Altoids Tin second. First thing we have here, we have a small ferro rod on a string. So that gives us a guaranteed spark to make fire. So we have one of our combustion items right there, right off the bat. Next up, our primary cover item in this kit, and our only cover item, is an XL Heatsheet XL by Survive Outdoors Longer. This is, like I said, guys, the only space blanket worth buying. We have this. This is going to give us our cover. This is going to get us out of the weather and make sure we're able to thermoregulate, so we have that. Water is next up. We have 10 Aquatabs, and with that, we have a 1 liter Whirl Pak Bag. So those 10 Aquatabs purify 1 liter of water at a time, and that Whirl Pak Bag is 1 liter, so that lets us purify 10 liters and carry that with us. So we have safe drinking water right there. We have combustion, and we have cover. With that, the case itself is empty, so we'll set that up here. Next up is the Altoids Tin. Set the lid there. First thing we have when we enter is our other combustion tool. Sorry, I bumped the tripod. And that is a Mini Bic. So we have guaranteed spark and, as best we can do in this kit, a guaranteed flame. And this is your backup. So we have that. We have 2 man-made fire starters to go along with it. These are just 2 Tinder Quicks. They're waxed cotton with some other accelerants in them. You rough them up, and they'll take a spark or a flame right off the bat. That's going to let you get a fire going to make sure if it's cold out, you can keep from getting hypothermia while using your cover elements. We have that. Next up, cordage, one of those other 5 essentials. This is going to let us build shelter. This is 20 foot of number 18 Bankline. That goes along with our SOL heat sheets. That lets us make a few different kinds of shelters. So we have our ability to get out of the weather. And the last of our 5 essentials is a cutting tool. This is a Victorinox Farmer X. You have seen me talk about this before. I'm going to go over the tools real quick to show you why we go with this. We have the classic Victorinox blade, which is a high quality cutting tool. Next up, we have the fantastic Victorinox saw. You guys have heard me talk about that endlessly. Having that saw and that blade are key, but the 2 tools that make this, the Farmer X, the kicker, or the singular tool I should say, and why I go with it over the regular Farmer, is the scissors. So we have the scissors. That's a huge plus if you need that. And one of the other tools that make the Farmer X so good is the punch / awl. That strikes a ferro rod. You can repair stuff, drill holes for crafting things. So we have that. That's our cutting tool, the Farmer X. And the last 2 things in here, you've seen, I have one of my file tools. It's tiny enough, fits right inside that Altoids Tin case. Just gives us another thing if we have to This will let us fine-tune our traps, figure 4 deadfalls, Paiutes, whatever it may be. So we have that in our kit. And lastly, we have just a small button compass to get our bearings if we're going to try and navigate out. This is just a tiny button compass. It's small enough to fit in the case. So guys, I wanted to do that quick video for you. Let me move this over and give you guys a better look. You can see it is a small kit. The fact that it fits inside this USGI Compass Pouch is amazing and awesome, because you can carry that on you wherever you go. It slides right on your belt. It can be tossed in a front, back pocket, whatever it may be. The key to a survival kit is carrying it. If you're not going to carry it, having all the survival kits in the world doesn't matter one bit. So that's why we have this small one, and a kit that will keep you alive in a bad situation. So if you guys have comments, questions, concerns, please drop them in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoy this video. This one will be, it seems like it'll be a shorter one, so thank you guys. We are doing well on the channel here. This was a subscriber request. They wanted to see if I could put a very compact, legitimate 5 basic essentials that I would carry with me. And this is all stuff right here that I do carry with me when I'm in the woods. So yes, we can do it. We can do it relatively inexpensively. None of this stuff is prohibitively expensive. This is going to be the most expensive piece at about $50. And if you don't want the Farmer X, you can get the Farmer for about $30 to $45. So past that, nothing's more than a couple dollars. Might be this is most expensive. These are about $7 or $8 now. These are easily obtainable. So let me price it out. We got 50 made, $5 for the 3-pack, $10 for 50, I believe. So 15, 25. Roll of Bankline, about $12. So altogether, I think we have about $75, $80 here. And that's if you buy everything new. That's a full roll Bankline, a 50-pack of Aquatabs, a 3-pack of the Whirl Pak Bag. So you can build this relatively inexpensively. It's not zero, but it is, compared to other things, relatively cheap. And it's all quality, so it will last you and it will not let you down. So thank you, folks. If you don't mind, please like, subscribe. Keep commenting. I want to keep having the conversations. Let me know what you think of this kit, what you would change, what you like about it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and bye for now.